I'd like to offer a quick video on how to be successful with your math class and where to go in LMS to find your assignments and what you should be doing on a daily basis. So I'm just going to click into Math 7A. I would not use the class calendar. That's another option over here. For math, the best thing to do is to go back to, well, let me go to the dashboard, but let's go and use this main screen right here. Okay, I'll post important things on the class wall every morning. Over here on the right, class resources. These are a big help. I've got instructional videos on how to navigate LMS, class rules and procedures, how to post an assignment in LMS, a Khan Academy tutorial if you're having trouble finding assignments there, and how to use My Math Assistant, a tutorial on that step by step from logging in to entering in answers in your homework and your tests. So let's go back quickly and let's look at here week 1. This is where you will go to see what you do on a daily basis. This was yesterday's lesson. Lesson 91, and what you should have done is clicked on that. I had 2 instructional videos. I'll always have the video on teaching the lesson and helping you with homework problems from that lesson. This was the My Math Assistant tutorial, the same link that's in the class resources, but I put this here. It was the first day we used it. Some of you are still not using that, so let's make sure we are entering our answers in there online. Then you will see your practice problem set. I've got the page number, and we're doing 1 through 30, and then I have the link from My Math Assistant for you to post them in, enter your answers in on that website. And then the other important thing to do is you must upload a picture to LMS right here on this assignment page. Finally, Khan Academy quiz of the day. I have a link that is not going to say quiz in Khan Academy. It's just going to be a set of problems that you're going to do, and I'm going to record it as a quiz grade. They are review problems from concepts we've done earlier in the year. But these are the quiz grades you're going to get when I record your grades in RenWeb. Now, let me just show you on lesson 91, this is due at 9 a.m. this morning in 30 minutes. Only 14 of the 22 students have posted it under lesson 91 practice problems. So we want to make sure we are going to be posting those. Now let's go back real quickly and look at today. Today is lesson 92, instructional video on the lesson. Then the practice problems. Once again, I have the link to mymathassistant.com, and I remind you to upload a picture. So 2 things have to be done there. Then Khan Academy, I've got a link there. This is the name of the problem set, identifying geometric solids. So you can look for that. The date is also beside it on when it's due. It's due tonight. And finally, starting today, we're going to have a Zoom meeting. It will be posted under the lesson for the day. It's a tutorial. This class, you can see it's going to start at 1 p.m. Other classes every class has a posted Zoom meeting under the lesson for the day. So that is a quick tutorial on how to be successful on a daily basis in math class.